Ever wondered about the origins of the stunning hydrangea? Buckle up as we take you on a journey through time. Today, we start by unveiling the rich history of this extraordinary flower. The hydrangea, known for its spectacular blooms and vibrant colors, traces its roots back to two distinct parts of the world: Asia and the Americas. Yes, this gorgeous flower has a dual heritage. In Asia, it was found in China, Japan, the Himalayas, and Indonesia. Simultaneously, across the globe, it was growing wild in the wooded and moist regions of North and South America. The hydrangea's journey from a wild plant to a beloved garden staple is indeed fascinating. It was around the 18th century when the flower began to gain popularity. The Europeans, particularly the British, found themselves captivated by its unique beauty during their exploration of Asia. They brought back different species to Europe, and the flower quickly became a sensation. Scientifically, the hydrangea belongs to the family Hydrangeaceae. The name hydrangea is a blend of two Greek words, hydro, meaning water, and angeon, meaning vessel. This name perfectly describes the plant's love for water and its cup-shaped flowers. It's a genus that consists of about 70 to 75 species, and it's renowned for its wide range of varieties. From the mophead hydrangea with its large round flower heads to the delicate lace-cap hydrangea, the diversity within this genus is truly astounding. It's also worth noting that the hydrangea isn't just a pretty face. Throughout history, it's been used for various purposes. For instance, some Native American tribes used it for medicinal purposes, while in Japan certain species of hydrangea are used to make a sweet tea called ama-cha. And that was a quick dive into the history of hydrangea. But wait, there's more to this flower than meets the eye. So stick around as we explore the various facets of this captivating bloom. From its diverse varieties and cultural significance to its fascinating color-changing abilities and representation in art and literature, there's so much more to discover about the wonderful world of hydrangeas. From humble beginnings, hydrangea now boasts of a wide array of species and cultivars. A world of color and charm, each variety comes with its unique characteristics and growing requirements. Take the mophead hydrangeas, for example. Known for their large, round flower heads, they're a garden favorite offering blooms in striking shades of blue, pink, and white. Then we have the lace-cap hydrangeas, dainty and elegant. Their flattened flower heads are a delightful contrast to their mophead cousins. Venture further and you'll discover the panicle hydrangeas, characterized by their cone-shaped flower clusters. They're hardy plants, thriving in a range of climates and soil types, and their flowers transition from white to pink as the season progresses. And let's not forget the oak leaf hydrangeas, remarkable for their distinct oak leaf-shaped foliage that turns a gorgeous burgundy in fall. So, whether you prefer the classic mophead or the exotic oak leaf, there's a hydrangea for everyone. Hydrangeas are not just visually appealing, but they also hold a deep cultural significance. These blossoms are more than just a feast for the eyes. They are steeped in symbolism and meaning, varying across different cultures and traditions. In Japan, hydrangeas have a historical significance that dates back centuries. They are deeply associated with the rainy season and the arrival of summer. The flower's name in Japanese, ajisai, is a symbol of the enduring nature of love, representing both apology and gratitude. It's a tradition to gift hydrangeas as an apology or as a token of gratitude. Moving westwards, in the Victorian era, hydrangeas took on a more emotional connotation. They were often given to declare heartfelt emotions and were seen as a symbol of vanity due to their lavish, voluminous blossoms. This made them a popular choice in courtship, allowing suitors to express their feelings without uttering a word. In contemporary Western culture, hydrangeas' symbolism has evolved. Today they are associated with abundance and prosperity, thanks to their lush and grandiose blooms. They are also seen as a symbol of grace and beauty, making them a popular choice in weddings and anniversaries. Native American tribes also hold hydrangeas in high esteem. For them, the plant is a symbol of unity and togetherness, as the individual flowers come together to form a beautiful, unified bloom. This symbolism extends to their use in ceremonies and rituals, signifying a collective spirit and communal harmony. Interestingly, in the language of flowers, hydrangeas denote perseverance because of their ability to thrive in various conditions. Their resilience in the face of change is a testament to their strength, making them a symbol of endurance and tenacity. Hydrangeas thus transcend their physical beauty to symbolize deeper, heartfelt emotions. They are not just flowers, but messages conveyed in the language of petals and colors, silently expressing feelings that words often fail to capture. Did you know that the color of your hydrangea can change based on your soil's pH level? Indeed, these floral marvels have a unique ability to transform their color based on the acidity or alkalinity of the soil they're planted in. This trait sets hydrangeas apart from most other blooms, making them a fascinating study for garden enthusiasts and botanists alike. The secret lies in the soil's pH level. When hydrangeas grow in acidic soil, that's a pH of less than 7, they produce stunning blue or purple blossoms. On the other hand, alkaline soil with a pH above 7 encourages the growth of pink or red hydrangea blooms. It's a remarkable display of nature's chemistry at work. If you're keen on experimenting with this color-changing phenomenon, you can adjust your soil's pH with garden lime to make it more alkaline or garden sulfur to increase its acidity. So next time you spot a blue or pink hydrangea, remember, it's all about the pH. From private gardens to grand festivals, hydrangeas have found their way into the hearts of people globally. These vibrant blooms have a universal appeal, transcending borders and cultures. Let's embark on a journey to explore some of the world's most remarkable hydrangea landscapes. We begin in Japan, a country that shares a deep bond with hydrangeas. The hydrangea garden at the Tenshin-in Garden is a sight to behold. Here the flowers create a mesmerizing spectacle, painting the landscape in hues of blue, pink and purple. The garden is a testament to the Japanese art of gardening, where nature and aesthetics harmoniously blend. Our journey continues to France, a country synonymous with romance, where hydrangeas add to its charm. The Hydrangea Festival in France is a vibrant celebration of these flowers, attracting enthusiasts from around the world. The rich diversity of hydrangea species on display is a testament to the flower's versatile beauty. Crossing the Atlantic, we land in America, where the oak leaf hydrangea paints the landscape with its strikingly large, cone-shaped flower heads. Native to the southeastern United States, the oak leaf hydrangea is a symbol of the American spirit, showcasing resilience and beauty in equal measure. Heading south, we find ourselves in Brazil, home to the climbing hydrangea, an exotic species that brings a unique tropical flair. With its ability to climb up trees and walls, this hydrangea adds a whimsical touch to the Brazilian landscape. Finally, we move to China, where the panicle hydrangea thrives. Known for its large pyramid-shaped flower heads, the panicle hydrangea is a symbol of abundance, reflecting the country's rich cultural heritage. Hydrangeas, with their captivating beauty and diverse range, have managed to enchant people across the globe. From the gardens of Japan to the festivals of France and the landscapes of America, these flowers create a colorful tapestry that binds us all in a shared admiration. No matter where you are in the world, chances are you'll find a hydrangea lover nearby. The beauty of hydrangea has not been lost on artists. Let's see how they have been represented in art and literature. The hydrangea, with its vibrant blooms and intricate design, has served as an inspiration for many artists over the centuries. From the delicate strokes of the Japanese ukiyo-e prints to the bold colors of modern impressionist paintings, the hydrangea continues to be a favorite subject in the world of visual arts. Its unique structure and color variations provide an artistic challenge that many painters relish, an opportunity to play with light, texture, and hue. Famous artists such as Claude Monet and Gustav Klimt have included hydrangeas in their masterpieces. Monet's Garden at Giverny and Klimt's Garden with Sunflowers both showcase hydrangeas, highlighting their ability to add depth and beauty to any landscape. This love for the hydrangea is echoed in contemporary art as well. Many modern artists continue to be drawn to its captivating charm. In literature, hydrangeas have found their way into the verses of many poets. The Victorian poet Emily Dickinson, for instance, wrote about the hydrangea in her poem, "The Mountain Sat Upon the Plain." She beautifully captures the essence of the hydrangea, describing it as a quiet flower, a symbol of modesty and humility. In folklore and mythology, the hydrangea holds a special place too. In Japan, the hydrangea is associated with heartfelt emotions, apologies, and gratitude. This symbolism is deeply ingrained in their culture and is often reflected in their traditional tales and legends. Hydrangeas have even made appearances in popular culture. Think of Alice Walker's novel, The Color Purple, where the protagonist's love for her garden, especially her hydrangeas, symbolizes her journey towards self-discovery and independence. The hydrangea, with its stunning beauty and rich symbolism, has transcended the boundaries of gardens and landscapes to become a muse for artists, poets, and storytellers across the world. It serves as a reminder that nature, in all its forms, is an endless source of inspiration and creativity. From canvas to prose, hydrangeas continue to inspire and captivate us with their beauty.